Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Tuesday. I hope you had a wonderful day yesterday. And we are going to start with our calendar. So let's start with the number 1. Are you ready? Count loud so I can hear you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's right. Do you know how to write the number 19? If you know, you can say it now. 19 is a 1 and a 9. So Miss Fisher is going to come under Tuesday because today is Tuesday. That's right. And I'm going to write a 19. So I'm going to start with my 1. I'm going to start at the top, drag down, and then I'm going to make my 9. Make a little circle, and then from the top, drag down again to make your 9, 19. So today is Tuesday, May 19th, 2020. Are you ready for days of the week? Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Awesome job, friends. All right, we're going to sing our months of the year now. Remember, it's May. So when we come to May in our song, you're going to sing it really loud. Are you ready? Are you sure? Okay. There's January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, and December. These are the months of the year. Awesome job, friends! All right, so yesterday you had a question of how do you feel today? And all of my friends did such a nice job drawing about it and writing about it. So kiss your brain and say, I am such a smart cookie, because you are. So today we are going to talk about what comes next in this pattern that Miss Fisher made. So this question says, what comes next in the pattern? And you can see Miss Fisher has a question mark, which means I'm asking a question. Nice job, nice remembering. So we're gonna say our pattern, and then this blank spot we're gonna fill in to what shape comes next. So I have blue triangles and red hearts. So let's say it together, and then we'll find out what comes next. Are you ready? So we have triangle, heart, heart, heart. Triangle, heart, heart, heart. Triangle, heart, heart, heart. Do you know what comes next? Remember, let's look at our pattern. We have one triangle, and how many hearts do we have before our next triangle? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. So we have one triangle, 3 hearts. One triangle, 3 hearts. One triangle, 3 hearts. And then what comes after 3 hearts? It's a triangle, that's right. So Miss Fisher is going to draw a triangle. Remember, a pattern repeats itself over and over and over again, forever and ever. I'm going to draw my triangle with 3 sides because that's how many sides a triangle has. Nice job, friends. Now I have 2 more questions for you. This says, how many hearts do we have? So can you help me count how many hearts there are? You can? Okay. Are you ready? I'm going to touch each one, and when I touch each one, that's when we say a number. Let's go slow and with Miss Fisher. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's right. We wrote a 9 with our date today, with our 19. So next to how many hearts are there, I'm going to do my circle and my line down for number 9. There are 9 hearts. This next question says, how many triangles are there? Are you going to help me count how many triangles there are now? You are? Awesome. All right, are you ready? So remember, we're going to touch each one and count one number with each one. Do it slow and with Miss Fisher. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many triangles are there all together? 4, that's right. So I'm going to write the number 4. Awesome job, friends. All right. So yesterday we also voted on a story to read today. And the votes are in. And The Night Before Kindergarten is the winner. And the author is Natasha Wings. So I'm going to come closer so you can see the cover. This is the front cover. And you can see this little girl. What is she doing? It looks like she's packing her backpack for kindergarten. And maybe she got her outfit out that she's going to wear. And she marked her calendar. This is September. That's when we start school. Maybe that star is the first day of kindergarten. And it looks like her puppy's helping her. So the author is Natasha Wing. "'Twas the night before kindergarten, and as they prepared, kids were excited and a little bit scared. They tossed and they turned about it in their beds, while visions of school supplies danced in their heads." And you can see their thought bubbles. Maybe they're dreaming of different school supplies. Erasers and crayons and pencils galore were stuffed in their backpacks and set by the door. Outfits were hung in the closets with care, knowing that kindergarten soon would be there. I hear some rhyming words. Do you? In the morning, it came. School starts today. Would the teacher be nice? Would they still get to play? Faces were washed and teeth were brushed white. Kids posed for pictures with eyes sparkling bright. Parents packed snacks and kids hopped in cars as if they were boarding a spaceship to Mars. That's silly. Some kids brought blankets or their favorite stuffed bear in hopes they could nap like they did in daycare or in pre-K. Their parents exclaimed, "You're big kids! Wow!" That means they are so excited. Let us hold your bears and blankies for now. The parents were worried their children would cry if they left them at school with just a goodbye. So they told their darlings, "If you want, you can stay and make sure that everything will be A-okay." Now in our kindergarten, our mommies and our daddies and our mumums and grandmoms, they can't come with us. So we just have to go into our classroom and make new friends and love our nice teachers. The teacher then greeted each one with a smile and invited the students to stay for a while. So they're all saying bye to their families that can't come in. We're learning. The room was all filled with toys, books, and maps. And where were the beds for mid-morning naps? We don't get big naps like in pre-K. They colored and painted and played Simon Says. They tumbled and skipped and stood on their heads. They sang silly songs from beginning to end. Within just a minute, each kid had a friend. And this awesome teacher is playing an instrument and looks like a guitar. That's so cool. Look, all the friends are holding hands and dancing and singing. That looks so fun, don't you think? The children were happy. They loved Miss Sunrise. It was she who was in for a giant surprise. surprise. When what to her wandering eyes should appear but sad moms and dads who were holding back tears. Their noses so sniffly, their eyes red and wet. This was the saddest goodbye Miss Sunrise had seen yet. She gathered the grown-ups on the magical rug, then sent them away after one final hug. So, I know you're going to miss moms and dads and grandmoms, but they're going to miss you too. But you're growing up and you have to go to kindergarten and learn how to read, and you need to learn how to do math and numbers. The children all waved from the door of the school. Don't cry, Mom and Dad. Kindergarten is cool. The end. And I see lots of toys on the back cover, don't you? You play in kindergarten too, and you learn in kindergarten. Okay, so that is the end of our story. I hope you enjoyed it. Tomorrow is going to be a cyber learning makeup day, just like every Wednesday. So you can make up any work you might have missed, or you can choose an activity that maybe you've really enjoyed. I am still going to post videos for tomorrow and Thursday, which is also a cyber learning makeup day. There is a staff in service Thursday. I will be posting videos Wednesday and Thursday, so make sure to tune in. I hope you have a wonderful break, and I will see you next Tuesday. Okay? Bye!